Hello students, welcome to Arush Coaching Classes, and this video describes about Mario game in JavaScript. So we'll learn how can we create a game. Hello students, and today we are going to make a beautiful Mario game. So the first thing which we are doing is I am just going to show you with the block form, like you can do like this or in the text form like this. Okay, so basically this is the first game which we are making in JavaScript. So that means I'm starting off with JS also on the channel. Anyways, so let me just begin. The first thing which we have done over here is using the sprites. I've just taken variable sprite, the Mario. And how do I upload the images? I'll go over here and I've uploaded all the images. Now, if you see here, if you see carefully, my Mario is working because I have put different frames of it. So that's the reason it looks like an animation. And you can, make the animation slow like this. And you can make the animation very fast like this. Okay. So I have taken in the normal speed. Okay. Same way I have uploaded the Mario background and the obstacle. So let us begin. Let's go ahead and let us see how it goes. So I'll start off with the text format. So obviously I have created a Mario and everything. So the first thing which I'm going to do over here is I'm going to put, see here, it is draw sprites, right? And what is the next thing which I will do is I'm going to put this. All right, now let's run and see this. So see, my Mario is here. Okay. Now, what is the next thing which I wanted to do? I wanted to put a background. So what is the step of putting a background? Okay. So I'm going to write variable. The background I'm going to put as BG. Again, equal to. And then I'm going to put create sprite, which is already coming over here. Plus, you can put the, the location of it. So this is what it is. All right. The next part which we will do over here is bg dot set animation, which is already there. And in the animation, you're actually going to add the bg. So from where you will add it? See, here it is written Mario bg.jpg. So same thing, you can add it over here. So what I will do is I'll go to show blocks and you can just select like this, Mario BG and like this, correct? Let's run and see this. Oh, it's so beautiful, but the actual background has not come. So what we will do, we'll do the resizing. Okay. So resizing is done using the scale in this. So same thing we will be doing over here. That is BG dot scale C, which you can see over here, and in the scale you can add, okay, in the scale you can add is like 0.5, and yes, I think now it's perfectly fine. Okay, so see, this has come with a beautiful background, right? Okay, all right, this is done. Okay, now once you have created this, now I want to create an obstacle also. So what will I do? Exactly the same thing. So I'm going to copy the code directly and I'll go here, paste it over here, and instead of Mario, what will I do? I'm going to put here, say, obstacle, and maybe I can put the obstacle as 200. And maybe I can say over here is 310. That's what it is. Here also the obstacle scale I can choose. That is like obstacle scale, and plus I can use here obstacle dot set animation. So set animation, you can again go, okay. You can again go here and see it is written obstacle1.jpg. So you can write it over here. So instead of writing, what I'll do is I'll go here and choose obstacle1.jpg. Okay. And run. So can you see? This is also added over here. So a little bit here and there, which you can manage, I guess. So I think, can we make this as 300? Okay. 300 is going little up. So let's make it 305 maybe. Okay. So this looks perfect. All right, 305. Now, since you've created all the 3 sprites, what is the next thing which I want? Okay, so all right, we'll start off with the function draw. I'm going to use this and I'm going to use this. Plus this draw sprites, no, this will, you can just copy from here and you can actually paste over here. So that's what the change will be. Now, in the function draw, we'll start off with the if condition. So what is the if condition? If, and then I'm going to open the bracket. I'm going to write here, say, key down, that is, okay. And in this, I'm going to put here, say, write, and it's done. Okay. Now, what will I do next is I'm going to put the condition, right? And what is that condition? I'm going to say over here is Mario.x. Why am I taking x? Because I have to move left and right. Okay. Will be equal to what? Will be equal to Mario.x plus 5. Right? That's what I'm going to do. Okay. Now, once you have created this, now you don't have to worry. You just have to copy this again. And after this, what will I do? I'm going to, yes, so I'm going to paste it over here. All right. Now, this time, what will I do? Instead of right, I'm going to take, say, left. Okay. And once I've taken left, obviously this plus will become minus, correct? Okay, so let's run and see this. See. Now, if you move, it's moving right. And when you go back, it's going back. See? See? Like this. Okay. Now what I want is, I want my Mario, see, he's walking, correct? Like this, right and left. But he's not jumping. I want him to make the jump action. So jump action will happen when you press which key? When you press the space key. So same thing you will do. You will go here. You will copy this. Go here. Paste. And instead of this, you're going to write here. Sorry. You're going to write here, say space. And this time I have to move him. Right? So what will I do? I'm going to write here velocity y. Why velocity y? Because I want to make him jump, right? I want to move him go up like this. Okay. So velocity y, and what it will be? It will be -5. Okay. So now let's run and see this. Press space. See, he's jumping. Okay. Reset again. Let's see this. When you press space, it's jumping. But what is happening? It is jumping and it's going up, but not coming back. So for that, what we'll have to do? We will have to restrict him. Like you cannot go out of this. So how will you do that thing? You will write here if, and then you're going to write, say, okay. So I'm going to write here Mario.y. Okay. Why am I writing y? Because now I'm using up and down keys. Okay. So Mario.y. And this time what will I do is I'm going to make this as less than equal to 150. Okay. and I'm going to close this. All right. So this is what I have defined, up till where he can move up, correct? And then I'm going to say, okay, Mario velocity y. So this step I'm going to copy it again. Okay. And what will I do is, okay, so I will say Mario dot velocity y, and this time it will be +5 because I want to bring my Mario down. So let's see this. Now when you press space, see, it's not moving more than that, correct? See now, run, now press space, see, after 150 it is coming back, okay? But now if you observe carefully, it is going down. So now we have to control the down movement also. So same thing, same code, you will copy it again, and then you will write it over here, and you will write this time, instead of less than, you will write greater than, and then you will write here, say 280, and then you will write velocity equal to 0 so that it doesn't go down, correct? So that's all. I think that's done. See now, you're moving and going down, and see, like this. Okay. Now the most important thing, that sound is missing. So let's put the sound using the show blocks. Let's see how it looks in the show blocks. So see, this is how your code looks in the show blocks form. Now let's put the sound over here. So where will I go? I'll go to world, and I'm going to search for, here it is. See, I'm going to put one block, play sound. You can choose any sound of your choice. Here are the options, or otherwise I have already chosen this. So just choose this, and now let's see. So did you like this game? Did you enjoy making the Mario game? So I hope you've liked my Mario game. Please like, subscribe and share my channel. Thank you.